Hello, good morning mga ka-perfect. Nandito na naman tayo, may interview na naman tayo. Okay. We need to talk English because some of them, they don't understand Tagalog language. So we have to talk English, okay? Now, because Filipino are so brainy mga ka-perfect, so now we will interview any nationality here. If they are also brainy, so they are also perfect. Perfect! Hello, good morning, miss. Can I ask you some question?
Morning. Okay, go ahead.
Where are you from?
I'm from Uganda.
Wow, you're from Uganda, and they said Filipino are so much brainy. They're asking so many questions, but they are so brainy. I hope you beat Filipinos today, okay?
Okay.
I will ask you one question.
Okay.
Okay. If they said the plate is a glass, the aluminum foil is what?
Bong bong.
Perfect!
Hey! Hey! Hey!
Kasi papatayin talaga kita. Putang ina mo.
Magagawa natin to. Mai-distribute natin to. Kung hindi kaya ng mga register of deeds ng Bangko Sentral